How to find out which Instagram Reels your friends have liked. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can check the Reels your friends interacted with on Instagram using the app on your iPhone, Android, or Samsung device. And if this tutorial is useful for you, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because that really helps me a lot. To get started, open Instagram and tap on the Reels icon from the bottom menu. After that, select the option in the top right corner. This will take you to the Friends section where you'll be able to see which Reels your friends liked. In some cases, you might also notice their names displayed below. Keep in mind, you can't decide which Reels will appear or which friends will show up, but as you continue swiping, you'll see different friends along with the Reels they've liked. Now, if this option doesn't appear for you, or if you'd like to manage whether your own likes show up in this area, just head over to your profile. From there, tap the menu icon in the top right corner to open the setting. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Activity in Friends tab. If you don't see the small Friends bubble while browsing Reels, try enabling the option Followers you follow back. Turning this on lets your activity appear in the Friends tab, which may fix the issue. On the other hand, if you don't want anyone to see your likes in the Friends section, simply choose No One. That way, none of your real likes will be visible to others. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please remember to give it a like.